Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib. Today we're going to show you this Arctic Fox 2020 27.5L. Arctic Fox is known across the nation for strong build. You know, they build their own chassis and they take care of their own even interior, like the cabinets from A to Z. Come on in, let's show you what's going on inside. All right, folks, here we are. We're inside the 27.5L. As you can see, it's really a welcoming coach. They did a great job designing this kitchen. This is a rear kitchen, in a corner kitchen actually. Very nice stove oven. This one got only a two-door fridge. You know, it will do. It's pretty nice, pretty big. Nice pantry also. As we pan out here to the TV, it is sitting across from your love seat or your two recliners. These are power recliners. They're Thomas Paine. Again, there's a fan. There is a fantastic fan also that comes in handy. This Arctic Fox is really built to stand weather. Even people from Alaska come down and buy these from us folks. As you can see, big bedroom, nice bathroom. Everything is just equipped. Almost feels like you're in a suite somewhere. All right, folks, again, the 27.5L Arctic Fox, unique looking really, thicker walls of the industry. And this coach, they pay so much attention to details. Even the awning outside is enclosed when it's closed, big basement in it. So you got the outside shower, you got the hitch in the back. This coach really equipped. Give me a call if you have any questions. There's a lot to this Arctic Fox. My name is Dib, Guaranty RV, 541-515-1237. Thank you.